How to fix Instagram messages. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram messages. First thing, go to settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you're gonna find all the apps that you have in your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it. Click on storage here, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and then click on data usage. Disable the Wi-Fi and enable it, and if you are using mobile data, disable it and enable it. Go back and go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 1 minute, and after that disable it and restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.